Hello, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 4. Our objective is I can compare the length of linking cube sticks to a 5-stick. So we're going to take different length linking cubes, like different up to the number 10, I should say, and we're going to compare it and figure out if it's shorter than or longer than or equal to. So let's get started. We're going to use our hands to show longer and shorter. So if something's longer, we're going to hold our hands further apart. If it's shorter, we'll hold them closer together. So look at this marker and look at the crayon. Is the crayon shorter or longer? The crayon is shorter than the marker. Good job. We're going to do the same thing. This is just a warm-up, so we're going to go really kind of quickly through these, okay? Look at the caterpillar and look at the ladybug. Is ladybug longer or shorter than the caterpillar? Show me with your hands. The ladybug is shorter than the caterpillar. Look at the key and look at the fork. Is the fork longer or shorter? The fork is longer than the key. Look at the spoon and look at the watch. Is the watch longer or shorter? The watch is shorter. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to warm up with some finger counting. Quick, I want you to show me 5 on your fingers. Yep, it should look like this. Now show me one more. So we can go 5, 6. Good job. Now we're going to stay at 6. I want you to show me one more. So 5, and how many do we have over here? 1, 2, 2 more is how many? 5, 6, 7. Very good. Stay at 7 and put up one more. So we have 5, and how many on this hand? 1, 2, 3. So let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 and 3 more is 8. Stay at 8. I want you to show me one more. So we have 5, and how many do we have on this hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 and 4 more. Let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 and 4 more is what? 9. Nice job. Stay at 9. Put up one more. 5. And how many are in this hand? We don't even need to count. We know this is 5. And let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 and 5 more is 10. Awesome job. Nice job getting our brains recharged and working for the day. So we're going to start right off with some measurement terms. I want you to draw 2 different things. So if you need to, go ahead and pause me and get a paper and a pencil or something to write with. Because we're going to do 2 things. I want you to draw something that would make these sentences true. The first thing I want you to draw is something that would make the sentence, I am taller than, and it has a blank, so draw something. And then I want you to also draw something that you are shorter than. Okay, so you're going to draw something that you're taller than and something that you're shorter than. Go ahead, pause me, and unpause me when you're finished. Awesome job. So what we're going to do is at our exit ticket, I'm going to have you show me those pictures, and I cannot wait to see what you are taller and shorter than. I said I am taller than a bird, So I could put the bird up here. And I am shorter than a giraffe. I cannot wait to see what you guys chose. Do you guys remember the number stairs we made earlier in the year in Module 1? We're going to make another set of number stairs. And remember, the number stairs, we're going to start at 1. And for this activity, we're going to go all the way up to 5. So I'm going to need your help counting. Can you help me? Awesome. So here's our first one, 1. Now I'd have 1, and then I'd have to add one more to make 2. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, these should be closer together. And then after 4, what comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you help me count 5 cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for all your help with that. We're going to use these number stairs in our next few problems together. I turned the slide and there were new number stairs. What do we notice about these number stairs? I see 2 colors too. I see, what color is over here? Red, and down here is blue. Yeah, how many blue are in this number stick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, so wait, are these all 5? Yes, because they're the same height. They're the same, equal in length. So we can assume that these are all 5. And then they added this set of number stairs just on top of the blue. So I wonder how many this would be. 5 plus 1 is, 5 and 1 more is 6. 5 and 2 more is 5, 6, 7. 5 and 3 more is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 4 more is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 5 and 5 more is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you notice though? What one's the longest? Is it this one or this one? Definitely the 10 stick is longer than the 1 stick. Today we are going to look at different sticks and figure out if they're shorter than our 5 stick or longer than our 5 stick. So I'm going to pull the first one over. Look at. Is this stick shorter or longer? Does it have more cubes or less cubes? So here's our 5 stick. And let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is more than 5, so it makes sense that it is longer than our 5 stick. We have more cubes than 5. Here's our next one. Is it longer or shorter? It is shorter. And how many cubes are in this? 1, 2, 3. That makes sense because 3 is less than 5. So I would expect the 3 stick to be shorter than the 5 stick? Oh boy, here's a big one. Is this stick longer or shorter than the 5 stick? It is much longer. Let's count how many cubes are in this stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's our longest one yet. Here comes another one. Is this 4 stick longer or shorter than my 5 stick? It is shorter. Good job. I love seeing your hand signals. Great job. Okay, let's count this stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this 9 stick longer or shorter than my 5 stick? Longer. You're right. What about my 2 stick? Is my 2 stick longer than my 5 stick or shorter? Shorter. Look at it, doesn't even come near the top of that 5 stick. Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stick longer or shorter than my 5 stick? Longer. Just by how many cubes though? Just 1. Things are getting a little crowded. Is this stick longer or shorter than my 5 stick? This stick right here. It is longer. By how many cubes though? 2. 1, 2. They're lined up for that accuracy, so I could just count 1, 2. And is this 1 stick longer or shorter than my 5 stick? It is shorter, much shorter. I had so much fun today with you guys comparing all the cube sizes. It's really awesome to see that you're starting to recognize things that are longer and shorter and using those words so often. And I also like how we are starting to figure out how many more cubes is in the bigger stick, because that shows me you're counting up. So we did a lot of work today. I cannot wait to continue this tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing all your exit tickets. Have a wonderful day.